If a man allows his wife to not abide by the hijab, so he encourages her, or at least is passive about it. She wears tight jeans, doesn't cover her hair, wears makeup, and goes out. Is he a lesser sinner, or equal, or a superior sinner to her? This is something that is in Allah's hands to judge. That woman herself, by no doubt, is committing a huge sin that would qualify her to be among the people of hell. Sheikh, but she prays and fasts, even though the Prophet told us that such a description fits the people of hell, and rarely you will find such women entering paradise, except like a certain description on crows, the Prophet is telling us, which is rare in normal crows, the coloring, etc. So she's sinful without any doubt. Now he's sinful for allowing her, because he's the guardian, he's the boss, he's the captain of the airplane. If the co-pilot does something against the captain's will, they will crash. His word is the final word that has to be heard and adhered to. But when the husband himself is a wimp, is not a real man, and he sees his wife doing what she's doing, and he's not stopping her. Now, I'm not saying that he should divorce her or he should beat her. I'm not saying that. I say that be a man and act like a man. This is your honor. You have to have jealousy. You have to have the right means and manners to stop her from doing that. Call the elders, try to preach her, try to advise her, try to give her counseling sessions, whatever you need to do that. At the end of the day, she's your wife, and Allah stated in the Quran in 2 places, "O you who believe, protect yourselves and your families from hellfire." That's the fire of it is people and stones. So Allah is ordering you to protect yourself and your family. She is your family, you have to protect her. If she doesn't adhere, then you're sinful, without any doubt in that. But if you encourage her and give her leadway, in this case, you are as sinful, if not more, because you are facilitating that sin. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.